So here at Bike Hostel in Plovdiv, the owners brought us breakfast.
Really kind of him. It wasn't included, but he did it because he's a nice guy, and he offered us some Bulgarian style breakfast. So I've eaten mine. Well, there's Mendes. It's a cheese burek, good old classic burek from this region.
Yep, it's a pastry with like white cheese inside of it.
Very oily, very delicious, really, really healthy, I'm sure. And he's gone for Iran, which is throughout the Ottoman Empire part of the world.
Yes, it's yogurt with water and a tiny pinch of salt. Delicious.
And he suggested for me boza bomanx, I think it's called. I'm sure anyone who can speak the language will tell me that I've got that wrong. And he said, oh, it's a bit like wheat, it's made from wheat. And I was like, kvass, like similar to the Russian one. He's like, yeah, kind of similar to that, but not. And it's...
Please, you have to try, you've got to try it and talk us through it.
It's like it's brewed like a beer, but it smells like vegetables, I reckon. Or maybe malt. It's a really strong flavour.
And what's the consistency like?
Vomit, maybe? I'm sure there's like carrot or... I don't know, only you could smell this, and it's got a really pungent smell.
Let me try it for a second and I'll tell you what I think. I'm
going to drink it all, that's for sure. Sure, it's good for me. Anything that tastes like that's going to be good to get.
It's like that
my
drink.
First taste of a Bulgarian drink that I haven't seen anywhere else in the world. And
if you've ever had it, please comment below and tell us if you liked it. Because Lee's not sure. It is
growing on me.
Okay, good.
Like a fungus.
Excellent. I'll stick to my Iran and my lovely filter coffee. Oh, delicious. So we're at this hostel in Plovdiv. It's actually a Bulgarian apartment that's been turned into a hostel. So here's your little cooker. It's so cool. He's got different types of coffee. You've got your Turkish coffee. I've made espresso coffee for us to have this morning. Toasted sandwich maker. I think that's your, I'm not too sure, it's a milk frother or coffee grinder. This is the lovely sink area. Got all your kitchen utensils. That's the espresso maker that I use, the knife I use to cut the burek. And just look at this sink. This is classic. Put it down there. So, Soviet style sink. I'm assuming it's Soviet. This is the lounge. I do love what he's done with the light shades, to make light shades. So they're coloured measuring jugs. Got a tea and coffee area. So, delicious green tea. It's creamer. This is like a local type of tea. It has quite an interesting like herbal type flavour. And last night being Friday night, we sat up talking, drinking tea, and Lee was playing cassettes. He had a real nostalgia trip. I think he was playing Enigma
and U2 for a while.
Like early U2.
Yeah, it was like transported back to the early 90s, sitting around a tape deck, rewinding tapes backwards, trying to stop them squeaking when they turn around. Happy days.
We come through, lovely old wooden floorboards. Never seen this before. He's left out a sewing kit. There's a video of our bedroom from last night because, yeah, there's my usual mess. Everything's sprawled out over the bed and everywhere. And he's made his bed and he's all nice and tidy. So this is a bathroom area. There's just the one door here. There's lovely old-fashioned pool rooms. 90s, 70s lino. Very good traveller's tip. Whenever you're travelling, always wash your underwear when you're having a shower. Underwear and socks from the night before or from that day, and that way you don't run out. I just love this. Here you've got the pulley clothes drying line. Great blue tiles. And out the window, it's a garden and a barky dog. He's silent for now. So that's our Bulgarian apartment, Bulgarian flat. We've got to ourselves because there's no one else staying here in Plovdiv.
So I love Google, just checked it out. Boza, fermented beverage, very popular in Bulgaria. It's a malt drink made from wheat or millet. It has a thick consistency and a low alcohol content, usually around 1%. So we're on it already. Has a slightly acidic sweet flavour. Together with banitsa, it's a part of traditional Bulgarian breakfast. So we've certainly gone Bulgarian today.
So talk us through the taste again.
Like it says, it's thick. It's got a sweet taste. Yeah, malty. I'm getting some vegetables in there, maybe cabbage or carrot or something like that. But
I don't think there's any of those in there.
I'm not quite sure where I'm coming from, but I'm halfway down it, so I'm battling on. I'm getting into it.
So this is the entrance to our hostel / apartment in Plovdiv. So coming around, it's lovely. Mature grapevine. Oh no, the grapes have gone. Okay, no, there's still a few up there. And a bee. So we come around here. Nice place to sit in the afternoon. Maybe a little rooftop terrace up there. I wonder if the neighbour's dog's going to start barking soon. We come in. There's a flat down there. Yeah, there's a dog right on cue. Come round, so this is a front door. Automatic lights. I'm not too sure what's in the cupboard under the stairs. It does all look a little bit, I don't know. When we saw it yesterday, I got a bit of a surprise. I think I was expecting this bright new hostel with all the usual hostel amenities, and it's slightly different to that. So this is the grill and the front door. Oh, lovely. I thought it was glass. No, it's sort of paper, wallpaper. Lee's currently in the shower. Yes, that's the entrance into our hostel.